What if you could invest like a hedge fund legend, but with the freedom of crypto and the security of your own ledger wallet? Well, stick around because we're diving into how Decentralized Masters is reinventing Ray Dalio's famous all-weather portfolio for the digital asset world. Hello friends, I'm the DeFi Doctor, Head of Education at Decentralized Masters. Today we're exploring a game changer, Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio, reimagined for crypto. This legendary strategy is designed to thrive in any economic storm, growth, recession, inflation, or deflation through smart diversification and risk balance. With today's markets swinging wildly, especially in crypto, inflation and debt concerns growing, this approach feels more vital than ever. But what if you could take this proven strategy and make it decentralized and control it right from your Ledger wallet? At Decentralized Masters, we're doing exactly that, building a crypto-based all-weather portfolio that puts you in charge while tapping into DeFi's potential. From stablecoins to tokenized assets, we're blending tested principles with blockchain innovation. Want to know how it works? Well, let's dive into what makes the all-weather portfolio special and how we're reinventing it in a decentralized way. So, who is Ray Dalio? Ray Dalio is a legendary investor and the founder of Bridgewater Associates. He's also an author of some of the best investment books out there. As one of the world's largest and most successful hedge funds, managing billions in assets, Dalio's disciplined, data and history-driven approach revolutionized investing, earning him a reputation as a financial master. One of Ray Dalio's most notable creations was the all-weather portfolio. The goal of this portfolio is to withstand any market condition. At Decentralized Masters, we're inspired by this genius, but taking it a step further, adapting his ideas to the crypto world. Let us know what you think. Ever heard of Dalio or read any of his books? Drop a comment below. Now, before we dive into how we're adapting his ideas to the crypto world, let's unpack what makes the all-weather portfolio so powerful. The all-weather portfolio is a time-tested investment strategy built to thrive in any economic environment. Whether it's a strong growth, a harsh recession, rising inflation, or deflationary pressure, this portfolio is built to withstand anything that can be thrown at it. Its core philosophy? Diversification and risk parity. Instead of betting big on one asset class, it spreads investments across stocks, bonds, commodities, and gold, each weighted to balance risk evenly. This approach minimizes volatility while aiming for steady returns, no matter how the market swings. Dalio's genius lies in understanding that different assets perform differently under various economic conditions. So the portfolio is structured to cushion losses while capturing gains. It's not about chasing the next big thing. It's about consistency and resilience and surviving. At Decentralized Masters, we're inspired by this blueprint and adapting it for the crypto world, leveraging different digital assets to mirror its stability. By reimagining this approach with decentralized tools, we're creating a portfolio that aligns with the principles of security and self-custody. In today's economic landscape, uncertainty reigns supreme. Over the past decade, we've navigated tariffs, pandemics, the rise of AI, and Bitcoin, each presenting unique challenges and opportunities for financial markets. We're constantly bouncing between recession fears and soaring inflation, with interest rates fluctuating unpredictably. Yet looking back through history, this volatility is nothing new. It's the nature of financial markets, dating back to when investors bet on the Dutch East India Company's voyages. This is where Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio shines. Its diversified, risk-balanced approach is designed to weather these storms, delivering stability amid chaotic markets. At Decentralized Masters, we see this as the perfect foundation for a crypto-based solution. By adapting the all-weather portfolio to digital assets, we're addressing modern needs, offering resilience in a world where centralized systems can falter. Our approach harnesses DeFi's transparency and accessibility to bring Ray Dalio's principles to the blockchain. Next, let's explore how this portfolio operates in traditional stock markets to set the stage for our decentralized version, built securely from your Ledger wallet. In traditional stock markets, Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio is a masterclass in balance. A rough breakdown might include 30% in stocks for growth, 40% in long-term bonds for stability, 15% in intermediate bonds for flexibility, 7.5% in gold for inflation protection, and 7.5% in commodities for diversification. These allocations are carefully weighted to achieve risk parity, ensuring no single asset class dominates the portfolio's risk profile. By spreading exposure, the portfolio mitigates losses during market downturns while capturing gains in upswings. For example, when stocks tank during a recession, bonds often rise, and gold can hedge against inflation. This balance is what makes it all-weather. At Decentralized Masters, we're taking these principles and applying them to the crypto space, swapping traditional assets for digital ones while maintaining the same focus on stability and diversification. What's your favorite traditional asset to invest in? Please share in the comments. Next, let's dive into how we're recreating this time-tested strategy in a decentralized, crypto-based form, securely managed from your Ledger wallet. That means no brokerage, bank, or middleman. You are the master of your own financial destiny. Unlike traditional markets, our approach leverages the decentralized nature of blockchain, ensuring you maintain full control with self-custodial storage. We're crafting a portfolio that mirrors the all-weather strategy's resilience, using a mix of digital assets to navigate growth, recession, inflation, and deflation. Think stablecoins for stability, tokenized assets for diversification, and DeFi protocols to optimize returns. And of course, just like in Ray Dalio's traditional portfolio, we make an allocation for gold as well. However, in its decentralized token form, PAX-G. If you want to learn more about tokenized gold, check out our other video on tokenized gold. Link is in the description below. Our mentors guide you through live sessions, such as the strategy room, to implement this portfolio step by step, helping you avoid costly mistakes. This isn't about chasing volatile meme coins. It's about building a robust, decentralized strategy that aligns with Dalio's vision but thrives in the crypto space. Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio is a proven strategy for navigating any economic storm. And at Decentralized Masters, we're revolutionizing it for the crypto world. By adapting its diversified, risk-balanced approach to digital assets, we're creating a resilient portfolio you can manage securely from your Ledger wallet. Using stablecoins, tokenized assets, and DeFi protocols, we're blending Dalio's principles with blockchain transparency and accessibility. The benefits? Greater control, security, and potential for passive income. The challenges? Identifying how different assets will react to specific market environments and mastering DeFi's learning curve. But at Decentralized Masters, our mentors are here to guide you. This is more than an investment. It's a bold step towards financial freedom in a decentralized future. Want to learn more? Join our free community to explore our approach. Check out our 4.8-star Trustpilot reviews or ask a question below. Until next time, my friends, stay sharp, stay decentralized, and I'll see you in the next one.